Hello to all of you, my students in the 6th grade. How are you today? This is your English teacher, Dana, at Royal Farouk Academy. Today we are going to talk about present continuous for future. So let's start. The outcomes of our lesson today: students should be able to understand and recognize the use of present continuous, recognize the forms of the present continuous tense, and practice the rule. Let's start with the use of present continuous. We used to use present continuous if we want to talk about something that is happening now. But now we want to talk about another use of present continuous, and this is for future plans and arrangements. تخطيطات أو ترتيبات رح أعملها في المستقبل. So, the use of present continuous for future events which are the result of plans or arrangements in the present. When I say present continuous, so I have to recognize that the helping verbs that we use in present continuous, excellent, verbs to be, is, are, am with verb ing. Look at this example. She is playing football with her friend on a Tuesday. هذا الاشي رح تعمله in the future بالمستقبل on Tuesday. ما عم تعمله هلا. So, look at this sentence. We start the sentence with the subject, excellent. She is singular subject. Because it's singular, so we use is. This is the helping verb, and after is we have verb ing. This is playing football with her friend. This is the object, and the time expression or the keyword which indicates the future tense is on Tuesday. If we want to negate the sentence in present continuous, we add not with, bravo, with the helping verbs is not, are not, not. Look at this sentence. They are not making a project about animals next week. They is a plural subject. Because it's a plural, so we have to put are excellent with not, because this is a negative sentence. After aren't, we use verb ing, make with ing. We delete the letter e, then add ing. This is the complement, and next week the keyword which indicates the future tense. Now, if we want to make questions, we know that we have two types of questions with short answers, with questions with long answers. With short answers, yes or no questions, look at this question. Is, we start the question by using the helping verb is or are or am. Okay, so here we use is because we have your brother. So your brother is a singular noun, so we use is. Is your brother cutting? This is the verb ing. The tree tomorrow, tomorrow is the keyword which indicates the future tense. So we start the question with the helping verb and the subject, verb ing, complement with the key word. If we want to answer the question, yes, he is, or no, he isn't. So the forms of present continuous for future are the positive form. We start with the subject, verbs to be, this is depending on the subject, am is for singular, are for plural with verb ing and complement. If we want to negate the sentence, we start with the subject and we negate the sentence by adding not with verbs to be, then verb ing and complement. Any questions, we start with the verbs to be or WH words, then verbs to be, subject, verb, ing. We have some keywords that indicates the future tense, like tonight, tomorrow, next week, next Monday, on Tuesday, and so on. These are the expressions which indicate the future tense. Now let's practice the rule by answering these two questions. Number 1, complete these sentences in present continuous. Number 1, they, the tree, tomorrow. We have cut here. They is plural, so we use are cutting. We double the letter T because before this letter we have vowel sound, one vowel sound, so we have to double the letter, the consonant, and add ing. Number 2, Mom, a message for her friend tonight. Here we have tonight, which indicates the future tense. This is a plan that will happen tonight. Between brackets, we have verb send. Mom is singular, so Mom is sending a message excellent for her friend tonight. Number 3, the children milk tonight. Let's negate the sentence. We have not and drink. The children is plural noun. The children are not drinking milk tonight. The last sentence, with I we use excellent, am. A beautiful dress with my sister on Monday. We have buy, so I am buying a beautiful dress with my sister. Now write the function. Function means the use of these two sentences. Number 1, Mary is cleaning the room now. This action is happening now. Excellent. So the function of this sentence is an action that is happening right now. But look at this sentence. They are eating delicious cake next week. Next week indicates the future tense, so this action is in the future. Excellent. This action will happen in the future and function of it for future arrangement or plans. Okay, my students, we'll stop here. In the next class, we are going to answer the questions in your student's book and workbook, so please be ready.